Well, hello and happy Friday, you trader nerds. How are y'all? We survived another week. Victor says, hey guys, I finally recorded my first video. Awesome. The link is in my room. If you have a bit of time, take a look. Any feedback is welcome. I can't wait to watch it, Victor. I'll watch it after we get finished today. Awesome. Thanks for doing that. And someone did a screwdriver spreadsheet without the macro in it. I hadn't looked at it yet, but I forget who did that, but I can't wait to check that out as well. So we kind of make the community, make our trading a better place. We get to hang out together, do fun things together, and it's really cool. So if you would, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you feel so compelled, come on in for a 3-day free trial into our Discord. It's only $14.99 a month. And you can cancel anytime. That helps me go out to Applebee's with my family.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah, because apparently I can't make no money trading. So anyway, yeah, do that. Because June's not been a good month for me. And we'll show you that in a little bit. But we'd love to have you. And also, a lot of you have said, I don't want to be in the stupid Discord. I just want your trading plan or your spreadsheet. So I'm going to make that available as well. If you'll notice, I've already made the trading plan available. That you can click on a link to get the trading plan. So welcome in. It's Friday, and then we've got next week, which should be a great week of trading. And then I will be taking the week off as I go to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, baby, for the vacation. I'm very excited. So the market is down 0.5%. It's been down, I think, much more than that. And as you can see, if you're scalping right now, you need to go short, because we're below the hourly mid, and AD is dropping. Looks like that's going to be a really low AD. So volume is anemic, though, 2,700 contracts for every 2 minutes. And, it is what it is. Let's look at the big green monster. Big green monster shows us that we are overbought, and that what should happen, ladies and gentlemen, is this. The dominant thesis is this for the coming 10 days. I know I've been very, very bullish, but at some point we're going to fill these gaps. We very well may go to this 50% line, but at some point we're going here and we're going way up here. So the overall trend is bullish, but in the immediate next 5 to 10 days, it looks like we'll probably fill some of these gaps because we are overbought for the fair value area below us. Okay, so let's see. We also need to look at our linear regression. And the linear regression shows that everything is just fine. It's, we got to the top of the channel and we're just coming back in. And again, if you were to look at this, probably going out here, right? We'll probably stay above that 50-day moving average. Here's the 100-day moving average. And then there's the 200-day moving average. So we've been looking at moving averages a lot lately. So let's look at the monthly. We'll go from a month. So here's the monthly, and we're above the 10-month simple moving average, right? So we're still in that bullish posture. Let's now look at the weekly. So the weekly, 10 versus 20. The 10 continues to be above the 20 exponential moving averages, still bullish. And then we can look at the daily 200-day moving average, which looks like this. I said it looks like this. So we are well above the 200-day moving average. You do notice that for a while back, it is pointed downward, but things are going upward, which we can clearly see in the linear regression, which is bullish. So we're bullish, bullish, bullish. We're just having a little bit of a bullish pullback into a continuation of a bullish pattern. That's what I think, but it really doesn't matter. We trade by percentages. We are quantitative traders. That's how we make our decisions. So let's see how our little accounts are doing, and then we'll see how we've done for the month. Let's go to our little Tasty Trade account. So here we are. Today's the 23rd. Oh, wow. 2009, I had a wreck that put me in a wheelchair for 6 months. And I was in the hospital for 51 days. Broke my back, my spine, my sternum, my ribs, had a blind in one eye. I mean, all kinds of stuff. Just a horrific wreck. But anyway, they put Humpty Dumpty back together at UAB in Birmingham. All right, so let's see how we're at. 37,733. So let's look at our account. Even with these down moves and not having those stupid calls on, look at this. 99% probability of profit. What a great looking portfolio. We've got a bigger hump if we do go down. and we're looking really good. So we're at 37,830, 37,830. Let's put that in our pipe and smoke it. 37,830. Praise the Lord Jesus.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side.
Hallelujah.
To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, so our deltas are 67, which is the equivalent of owning 67 SPY shares in this account. So 6737, 6737. Let's put that in. 6737. Okay. So we're at 0.10, right where we need to be. And look, y'all, the VIX has gone down to 12. Isn't that crazy? It'll probably go down to 10. We'll see. Let's go back to our Greeks and ratios. Our buying power is at 91.37. So 91.37. So we're at 24%. We've got the right amount of deltas in there and thetas. We're a little long on deltas, but are you comfortable with the risk? I'm comfortable with that. I'm fine with that. Ed, don't give us the last time I saw VIX, it was 12.96. What are you doing? It's like VIX is at 13. What does it matter, Ed? I round down. All right, as long as it's under 15, my stuff is all right here, right? And we've been under 15 for quite some time. Look at this, y'all. We haven't been at 15 or above 15 since May 31st. So June has been a very low volatility month. Okay. So if we look at this account, let's see how we did on the week. We were at 37,909 and we are at 37,830. So we lost a little bit. And really it was a reason simply because the premiums just didn't come in. It's not the market movements. 37,830 minus 616 was 37,909. And so we're down $79 this week in this account. So I've got a little spreadsheet. Let's see, so what did I say? Negative 79. So I've got a little profit calendar. Let me pull that down so we can look at it. So negative 79. Let's put it right here. Negative 79 for the week. Okay. All right. On that account. All right. Let's go to the next one. I think I got these all right. I think that's right. All right. That one first. Okay. So then let's go to, now I forgot which one's just which. Okay. So we're down $79 in that one. Wayne, Crimea River. All right. Premium just didn't come in this week. No market moved against us. Would I have been better if I had left the calls on? Yes, we would have been better. No big deal. But I was glad to get those calls off. All right, so let's go to the IRA now and see how we're doing over there. So IRA, that's this account. So we are at 20. Wait a minute, that's the wrong account. 203. Here we go. This is at 85,816, 85,814, 85. We'll say 85,814. Come back to 814. There it is. 85,814. Let's do that one. 85,814. Oh, that one did good. 85,814. So we are definitely moving on up there.
Moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, let's see what we've done for this week. So we ended last week at 85,840. 85,840. And we end this week at 85,814. So we are down $26. Okay, so let's put that in our little profit calendar. We're down $26. All right, Wayne. On a week when the market just kept moving down, right? Let's look at it again. Not too bad, right? It was down, 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 down. It looks up, but it's down. Down, I mean, market down, and we're, pretty flat. I'll take that any day. 99% probability profit. Thing looks good. Just that the premium's not come in yet. So we are at 123.65. 123.65. Let's put that in. 123.65. Oh, good. Our deltas went down 65. Oh, yes. Look at us. We look so good. And we're 12 or 13 there, and our buying per is Buying power is 21,963. 21,963. So we're at 25%, we're at 0.08%, and our deltas are fine. I don't know, man. I don't think there's anything that we need to do here either. You know, where max theta is this 0.10, we're at 0.08. We got 65 theta, which means we should be making $65 a day. We've not made it this week, but yeah, I'm really proud going into the weekend with this. No adjustment on my deltas, my theta's fine, and our buying power is right at the limit. So yeah, I don't think there's anything to do there. Let's rack it. Rack on. All right, so we're racking that one. We racked. Okay, so that leaves us with profit calendar. We've got negative 79, negative 26. So let's go to the little bitty Crimson account, see how it's done. Crimson is at net lick and day lick 35,433. 35,433. 35,433. Yeah, I'm proud of that.
Well, we're moving on now to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Okay, so we ended at 35,460 last week. 35,460. Don't look like we're going to Applebee's, Beth. 35,433. So we're down $27. Premium did not come in this week. Y'all probably experienced that too. Down $27. Let's put that in our little calculator, in our little thingamajig. Negative 27. Okay. I think I got these wrong. I think I did that, then the IRA, then the, oh, I'll fix it. All right. Now, I guess we got to go. Well, let me do the Greeks and ratios on this one first. So the Greeks and ratios is 68.32. 68.32. Let's put those in. 68.32. I'm thinking we're going to have a really big week next week. 68.32. Yeah, looks good. Fixed at 12, and our buying power is at 9,014. I think we're good. I don't think there's anything to do. We're almost at the max theta limit. We're a little bit long. That's fine. We're in a bullish market now. And theta's good. Buying power's right at the limit. Yeah, I don't think there's anything to do here either. I think we're looking really, really good. All right. So let's go. Now we'll have a Muscadine Mafia session where we'll go into this account in detail, but let's go to the, and just look how we're doing in the Roth IRA. So the Roth IRA is at, this is one I don't normally show, 27,520, 27,5, 27,5, 27, 27,527. So let's open that. 27,527. And where is it at? 27,527. Let's go. This one, 27,527. Oh, good. We're at $476 in that account for the week. That is good. So 623.23. So that means we're up $476 from last week. So let's put that in our little spreadsheet. $476. Positive 400. What did I say? 404. Crap. Is it 400 and where's the darn spreadsheet? 476. God, my memory. It's $476. 476. So if we total that, let's put a line right there. Hold on, let me do a little formatting here. And so our total for the week is equals sum of all of that garbage. Okay, so that is $344 we made for the week. Good. Let's make that green. All right, good. So you see, if you combine all of that, we are up $147.69. Now, it's not been a good month at all. I expect next week to be really, really super good. Premium did not come in this week. I think it's going to come in next week. Now, you notice we were printing money, 518, $2,373. And then all of a sudden you have a terrible week like last week. And why was that? Okay. Remember in March, we had Bombageddon. I will call this, there's always a Geddon that gets me. This is Call-mageddon. This is when we had those stupid calls and the market just raged up. And I was like, screw these calls. We're in a bull market, get them off. And then some of y'all the same way. You said, screw the calls. And then this week, it would have behooved us to have the calls on because you see the only account that had calls on this week made $476, while these three lost a little bit. So we made $344 for the week. And for the month, we're up $147.96. I anticipate having $1,000 to $2,000 week next week. I don't know. Premium may not come in for another week, but I think it's going to. I think that's where we're going to be. So there. So we got this account. I don't think there's anything to do. Let's see if there's anything that says we need to manage it. Something here or something here. Auto close signals. No. Let's look at the regular IRA. Let me pull that back up. See if there's anything we need to manage there. Tasty trade IRA. Here we go. Oh crap, that's the wrong one. Where's my darn IRA spreadsheet? I don't think we got anything to manage there either. So let me go to IRA. Sweet Bobby IRA spreadsheet 5 minutes ago. Is that it? There it is. Yeah, here it is. So here's our IRA spreadsheet trades. See if anything shows me a closing signal. Nope. Let's get that profitable trade that we closed there out of the way. So we'll just show, and here's how you do it. Hit on the exit or exit, and then select all, and then you just want to choose the blanks, and that'll show you just your open trades. Now, so there's just our open trades. So everything looks really good. Let's spend a couple minutes on the Analyze tab before I let y'all go for the weekend and we go to Muscadine Mafia session. What is Muscadine Mafia? It is the most elite group that we have. It's where we discuss things. We battle things out. We ask about new ideas. We look at this little Roth IRA account. We do things. So let's go to the Crimson account. Let's go to the Analyze tab. Let's see what our risk looks like. Portfolio beta weighted. We're hiding simulations. And then we've got to get rid of those pesky little bitty T-bills that mess up our stuff. Now, so our price slices look like this. And here's what you want to do. You want to make sure that your 12% down is not greater than your net lick. So this is a $36,000 account, 36,000. And if we were to be down 12%, the broker would say, hey, you're down $12,000, but that's not above your net lick, although the buying power would be. So we might have to make some adjustments, but everything looks really, really good. 20% down, we're wiped out, baby. Now, we think that there are things that we can do before that to prevent us from being wiped out, but who knows until we actually go through the thing. Here we go, 623. Let's look at the IRA. IRA looks like, oh crap, gotta get rid of my T-bills over here. Give me a second. All right, let's see what this looks like. Price slices on a $84,000 account or $86,000, $87,000, whatever it is, down 12%, we'd be down $22,000. The buying power effect of that would be $84,000. So we probably have to take a little bit of action to get those buying power back into effect. But 12% down, it ain't gonna blow me out. Even the 20% account on this one is not going to blow me out, right? I'm only down 69,000. Now we hadn't put volatility in there and whatnot, but we think there's things that we can do to help us there. All right. Questions or comments at all before I let you go? Everybody good? All right. Well, then I will see everybody, the Muscadine Mafia. I will see you next, and everybody else, you have a great, great weekend. See you Monday.